Chef, sa 950 per head ba, kaya mo bang sabayan ang elegant setup? At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, nandito ngayon ang Team Spandy sa Rockwell. And that's why we are very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. Nakatungtong kami sa syudad, mga kamare chef. So today, we have like a disco black, gold, and silver theme, the 50th birthday celebration with Tiffany chairs upgrade. Marami-raming tela ang lalabahan natin pagkatapos ng cater na ito, mga kamare chef. Matindi-tindi rin ang buhatan natin, mga kamare chef, papasok ng ating venue and going out after the event. But look at the result. So to answer the question kung kaya nga ba ang 950 per head at elegant ang setup, it is a yes and it is also a no. Why? Because it depends on what the client focuses on. Our client today focused on the food, matched with a basic setup, and then paired with really elevated food. So, we have here beef salpicao, beef tenderloin ang gamit ko dyan, at syempre, original Worcestershire. So, hindi mumurahin ito. Baked shrimp, na gumagamit ng original na cream cheese, truffle linguine, sprinkled with pecorino romano. Nag-serve din tayo ng baked vegetables, chicken rosemary, and baby back ribs with blueberries. Tapos, sasabayan nito ng potato and chive soup and Asian salad. And to clean your palate, we are serving mango tapioca with generous amount of mangoes and s'mores fudge brownies na talagang fudgy and expensive Ghirardelli chocolate ang ginamit. Naka-blue hasponica rice pa ang gamit natin. So anyway, meron tayong iba pang mga suppliers na kasama na kinuha ni client. And I must say, sila client really spent for this event. Gawa ng yung photo booth nila hindi basta-basta, yung coffee bar nila, at saka yung alcoholic beverages nila, hindi rin basta-basta. Ang pika-pika station din nila, ang cute ng concept, pero maganda ang setup, may pa-ice cream pa. I think ito yung the best coordination team na nakatrabaho ko kasi sobrang kompleto sila ng information and sobrang smooth ng pagpasok ng team sa venue. Alam niyo mga kamare chef, isa sa mga nire-request ko sa client ay bigyan kami ng chance na makagamit ng maayos na pantry area. May iba kasi sa likod bahay, sa sahig kami pinapahugas ng mga plato. Parang ako na yung nadidiri para sa kliyente. Kaya for today, I'm really happy na maayos yung pantry area namin. Masarap din makatrabaho ang isang host na walang sabit sa pag-enunciate ng mga words. After the setup, we had a little team huddle and we also tackled what to eat for dinner. And mga kamare chef, sobrang happy sila client. Ang sarap-sarap daw ng food. The guests were raving about the food, the service, the setup, pati yung sales team namin na comment. Internally sa costing, dahil ako ang nag-procure, ako ang nag-manage ng serving portion, I felt so happy kasi it was very successful. Sulit yung hirap ko sa pagbuhat sa wet market, tapos tatalon sa grocery. Very proud ako sa kitchen team namin kasi walang milagro na nangyayari. Overall, I can say the reason why this is very successful is because I am surrounded with really good people. So kung magpapakustomize kayo ng packages, feel free to get in touch with us sa contact number na ilalagay ko sa caption. Ayun lang mga kamare chef. Bye-bye!